Embark on a culinary journey that transcends mere sustenance, one that brings rejuvenation to your body's intricate web of nerves. Nervous system health, unveiling these nourishing allies. Join us as we illuminate the path to neural vitality and bring the body's silent messaging system back to whispering harmony. Number 1. Brussels sprouts. Unlock the rejuvenating power of Brussels sprouts, nature's miniature marbles packed with alpha-lipoic acid. This mighty molecule is a maestro of metabolism, expertly converting carbs into vital energy, fueling organs and cells. Number 2. Avocados. Avocados, the crown jewels of superfoods, pack a mighty punch with a whopping 800 milligrams of potassium per fruit. It's instrumental in maintaining a steady heartbeat, banishing muscle cramps and safeguarding their nerves from the ravages of high blood sugar. Number 3. Berries. These tiny jewels brimming with potent antioxidants and luscious hues are guardians of your gray matter, packed with anthocyanins. The vibrant pigments in raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries, they're not just a feast for the eyes, but a shield against time's toll, also enhancing your mental well-being. Number 4. Coconut oil. Dive into the tropical treasure of coconuts to elevate your nervous system's health beyond their hydrating essence. Their unique capability to circumvent compromised tissues to deliver essential vitality to your body cells breathe life into your nervous system, providing the energy or neurons crave for optimal performance. Number 5. Sunflower seed. Dive into the small yet mighty world of sunflower seeds, where a mere 100 grams serves up a staggering 234% of your daily vitamin E needs, offering relief from the tight grip of nerve-induced high blood pressure, the throbbing woes of migraines, the discomfort of muscle cramps, and the edge of anxiety. Moreover,